Hey y'all, what's up? This is your girl E checking in. In today's video, you guys, your girl going to make curry chicken. Okay, as you can see, I had already started adding my seasoning. Then your girl decide that, you know, I wanted to film it. I wanted to film it for you guys. This is what's in there, just a little sprinkle, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys the seasoning that I am gonna use. You guys already know I already have the green seasoning in there, and let me go ahead and show you guys the seasoning your girl will be using right now. All right, you guys, as you can see, I have everything lined up. Go ahead and screenshot it if you want. So let me get a little bit closer, you guys can see. Okay, it's just the usual, you guys. Just feel free to use whatever you like, which I always tell you guys that feel free to use whatever your family likes, whatever you like. And yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and season this chicken. All right, you guys, I am gonna be using the curry powder, and this is okay. Let me tell you guys, this one I already have. If you buy it and you're gonna use it, don't use too much, or don't add too much salt in your chicken, because yeah, you guys, it has salt. That's what I should say. It has salt in it. I would say I add maybe 2 tablespoons. Okay. Garlic powder. We love garlic over here. At least they do. Okay. Goya adobo seasoning, all purpose. Yes, ma'am. Ooh. Alright, you guys, make sure you season to taste, season to perfection. Alright, make sure you season your chicken really, really good. Okay, you need the flavor, honey. We ain't doing no, you know. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this lemon pepper. Not much, but just a little bit. Just a little bit ain't gonna hurt nobody. Okay. Yeah, you guys, and you know what? I was gonna fry my tomato paste with this right here, but your girl just gonna add some in. Even though I already have the green seasoning in there, just sprinkle it all over. Garlic, garlic, garlic. Garlic is good for you, okay? Google the benefits of garlic, then thank me later. Here's the green seasoning. I decided I wanted to add a little more, so I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons, if not 3. We're gonna use this right here, because baby, we're looking for flavor over here, honey. Okay, I just decided, you know what, let me add a little bit more. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. It smells delicious. Okay. Then you can use your hand if it's clean, or the hands with the glove. Your girl gonna choose the one with the glove due to the fact that, yeah, my chicken, my seasoning is spicy, you guys. So yeah, I am just gonna use this hand right here. Let me back out a little bit. Girl, get it together. Okay. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead, make sure everything is seasoning well incorporated in there. All right, you can add some oil if you like. Let's add a little bit of oil. We're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of oil. Feel free to use whatever kind of type of oil you want to use. I am not telling y'all what to use or what not to use. Okay, so yeah, this is what we're gonna work with, and we're just gonna season away, you guys. Make sure everything is nice. Make sure every piece is You feel me? No, we can't leave them like that. Okay. Season your chicken how you would take a shower, a bath, okay? You don't just wash one part and leave one part, right? Okay, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I don't want to keep you guys too long, so your girl gonna be back. I will be back after I'm done to show you guys the finished product of my marinade, okay? All right, you guys, as you can see, baby, look at it. Looks so good. Everything is nice and well seasoning. You guys see that? Gorgeous, right? Okay. So now your girl gonna get prepared to go ahead and start cooking. All right. Now, if you like, you can leave your chicken to be marinated for 30 minutes. Now we are going to drizzle some oil into your pot, you guys, because what we are going to do, we are going to sear our chicken. Go ahead and add your chicken in. We are going to sear it for 3 to 5 minutes until we get a nice golden brown color. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that just like so. Okay, now I am checking our chicken. Then we're gonna remove them, set them aside. As you can see, I already added my tomato paste as well my veggies, you guys. Make sure your onions is translucent, tenderized, nice and soft, you guys. All right, then stir it together. I am going to add a little bit of chicken broth or water if you don't have it to create a thick gravy. All right, you guys, stir it. And then you guys, you are going to add your chicken in. Once you're done, cover it, let it simmer for 30 minutes. All right, on medium heat, you guys. Then allow the chicken to cook. After the 30 minutes, you're gonna come back to check on the chicken. Give it a good stir if you like, and allow it to cook for another hour, you guys. All right. So yeah, stay tuned and continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new recipe just like this one. Also, if you are new, be sure to let me know down in the comment section below. That way your girl can give you a nice warm welcome. Yeah, you guys, just continue watching. At this point right now, you can add more onions, more if you want to add celery in, or bell pepper, carrots. Feel free to do so right now. And yeah, you guys, I thank you all so much for watching. And yeah. All right, you guys, here's what we've all been waiting for. The chicken, honey. It looks so good, y'all. Like, you can't tell me, honey, this doesn't look good. Your girl went ahead and mixed some white rice, okay, to pair with the chicken. You guys, look at it. Like, for real, comment down below, you guys. Let me know, like, what y'all think. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, E-Babes, don't forget to always put God first. I love you all so much. Bye, y'all.